Hello, my beautiful friend. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm here to announce that we are on clue 9 of our year-long mystery crochet along. This clue is a little bit different than previous ones because you're going to use up to 5 different colors, and so I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it. The inspiration for this clue is resilient. So no matter what life may throw at you, know that you can handle it, know that you've got this. Keep striving towards your dreams, keep determination in your heart, and know that every obstacle is just a stepping stone leading you to exactly where you're meant to be. This month, we're recommending our Parsnip color, which is a soothing, calming ivory. Parsnip is going to form the background of our square, and as you can see, we're going to use colors from the past to create these beautiful medallions. You're going to be working a hybrid mosaic technique to create this clue, so if you have never worked that before, you are in for a treat. To create this look, you're going to add in these contrasting colors, just working into the front loops only. And of course, as always, if you have any questions, be sure to post them in the Ravelry forum, because I'm sure someone there knows the answer, and I bet you someone else had the exact same question, so you're actually helping them out too. Have a wonderful time crocheting this clue this month, and I will see you next month with clue number 10, where we start to shake things up a bit. Keep a watch for that. I will see you then. Bye!